Okay. Where are we sitting? Great. Oh, look at this. They have some vegetarian. Okay, there's some vegetables. Tudo. Okay, very good. Papi, langua, odongua. And they have this mushrooms. Well, that's a funny way Chinese people say "明天见." That's like "see you tomorrow." I know, but these are like mushroom sprouts. And they have some of the staple food snacks. Yeah, I'm excited to try all of this. Looks great. Okay, awesome. Now we have this whole menu, the dry pot. Oh, these are some of the snacks, like pre-snack. These are some of the green beans, lido. These are just huangdou, fried huangdou. These are actually very good. I really like it. They're very nice. It's nice. Oh, and they also give you like a dry dip. You can use it, you can put some of the oil inside and make it an oily dip, saucy dip, where it's a dry dip. Oh, and some tea. Great, look at that. Wow. Guys, look at that. Some floating spices here. Wow, that looks spicy. So what's inside? Something I've never tried it before. Yummy, that looks good and spicy. Awesome. All right, we're gonna have some of that. So they have to mix it and then they're gonna serve us, actually. That's very good. Oh, I like that spicy flavor. So much mala in that. Oh, look at that, I already finished this. So good, so tasty. Oh, 谢谢. So they serve us with this, and they use the same oil. Now it's a dip, a sauce. Oh yes, please, thank you. So you're gonna get some more chili peppers, that's great. Oh. Okay, let me try this.
This is fish soup. Fish soup.
This is fish soup. Fish soup. Oh, it smells very fishy. It smells definitely very fishy. Wow. This is good. This is very good. It's like a fish soup that you do as an appetizer before you can start your meal. Oh, I like vinegar. I'm gonna have some of the vinegar in my dip. Oh yes. I like those chili peppers. Look at those. It's like xiaomila, some cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna put all of those. And some cilantro. Make your dip. Make it with the flavor. Great. Wow, that is great. Wow. They have inside here. So we're having a frog today. Wow. Look at this frog. I've never had a frog before, let me tell you guys. But they say it tastes like chicken. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, wow, look at that frog. You can see the whole structure. You can see the whole open. Wow, this here. Oh, great. Frog is very tender. The meat is just coming out in the chopsticks, in my wèizhī. The meat is so tender. Look at that. Wow. Get that. I'll show you guys. Some packed with garlic, cilantro, some red chili peppers. Wow. I love it.
Fish soup.
Fish soup. Best soup. Best soup ever. So good. But you have to be careful while you're eating this because it has lots of bones. So, but the meat is so tender that you don't have to fight with it. So I like my flavor more strong. I'm gonna add some more garlic. Oh yeah. Get a bit more that garlicky, a bit more strong flavor in that. And spices. Oh, this is so good. I'm loving it. Look at the size of this frog. Wow. You guys should come down here and try this Frog Hotpot. But if you can't take spices, don't challenge yourself. I love eating spicy food. So yeah, I'm doing it. And I am enjoying it. So soft. The meat texture is so soft.
Is it right between fish and chicken?
Absolutely. I would say something between fish and chicken. It's not fish, it's not as soft as fish, right? But it's not like chicken either. Perfectly cooked. It's my first time eating this Frog Hotpot. I think I'm loving it. Perfectly cooked. There is so much frog and I still keep on eating. We're at about 2 kg of frog. Woo, look at that, I still have so much to come. I want to show you guys, look at this spices. Don't try this at home. Don't try to eat this with spices at home. I'm warning you, don't be like, oh, you didn't want it. Alright. All the spices, all the garlic, the red pepper. Oh. So good. Look at the amount of frog I eat for the first time. Garlic. Finished all the frog. It was a spicy. One of the most spiciest frog I have ever eaten in Chengdu. Just had a Frog Hotpot at this place. Great restaurant. Look at that. Wow. You shouldn't try it, but you should try eating spices. It's amazing. It's fun. Just finished eating the most spiciest Frog Hotpot in Chengdu. Look at my dip. It's almost finished. There's ginger, there's garlic, there's red chili peppers, and cilantro. This is amazing. It's so good. Follow me on my food adventures and find out some spicy places to eat, the spiciest food in town. I'll see you guys later.